This is lecture 14, The Problem of Universals. A universal concept is a quality which is common in all members of a class of objects or living beings. This common quality becomes an indicator of one thing, as for example, a cow can be big or small, white or black, or some other color, may or may not have horns, but it has one common characteristic, and that is its cowness. Hospers discusses the question of universals, wondering what exactly is the nature of universals. Can they be called real like particular objects which are existent and objective? Are there two kinds of entities, universal entities and particular entities? Is it possible to recognize universals apart from particulars, as for example, we recognize redness apart from red objects? There are four theories concerning universals. First is realism, second is nominalism, third is conceptualism, and fourth is the similarity theory. Realism was supported by Plato, Aristotle, and Russell. They are supposed to be the proponents of realism. Extreme realism believes that universals have an independent existence of their own. Plato believed in this view, Plato believed that the objective world is a copy of the ideal world or universals. In fact, the world of objects are participants in the world of universals. Aristotle is a mild realist. He believed that the universals are immanent in the particular objects of this world. Russell believes that universals are properties that are presented to us as a similarity or the essence of an object. As for example, colors can be a universal applicable to red, blue, green, pink, purple, yellow, etc. Then we come to nominalism. This theory believes that universals are only names and they have no actual objective reality. They are only physically particular objects in this world. Universals are names of some common characteristics in these objects. And Hobbes and Hume are both nominalist philosophers who believe that the world only has material objects, and because we name an object, we believe in universals. Berkeley is also called a mild nominalist philosopher because he believes that universals are conceptual. Conceptualism is described by Hospers as a theory in which universals are not names but concepts. Everything in the world is made up of material objects. The mind uses concepts to understand these material objects. Locke supports this view by saying every object has an essential characteristic that decides the variety of that object. This main essential characteristic becomes a universal. The similarity theory is explained by Woosley, who claims that there is a common characteristic which becomes an indication of something. So we believe in universal concepts. The similarity between objects appears to denote a kind of object, which is called a universal. Hospers sums up this whole problem by saying that objects in the external world have qualities which become the reason of a unity among certain objects. But the external world is made up of particulars. Accepting similarity is a matter of choice, and so universals are nothing but similarity in objects. I end this lecture here, and in my next lecture, I will come with a new topic Thank you for today.